you looking for a workbench? Maybe a place you could do some side projects? Maybe you want to do them in the house and you need it to look pretty nice. Check this dude out. This is a Vevor workbench. This is actually their 2-foot by 4-foot model, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I just got it out of the box a few days ago and put it together. And putting it together took a few minutes, but it wasn't super duper hard. It has a 2,000 pound capacity. It has some other pretty cool features about it too that I really like. It's got adjustable legs that go, I think, from 28 to 39.5 inches tall. It comes with rubber casters, and these aren't your ordinary little tiny rubber casters. These are like industrial. This thing rolls like it's sitting in butter. I have never rolled anything that rolled so smooth. Now right now I have 4 casters all the way around it so I can move it around. And my plan is to take this inside because I have a special place I want to put this, and we'll share that at the end of this video. But it also comes with 4 heavy-duty feet, rubberized. So you could take the rubber casters off, you could put these on. You could put 2 of these on and leave 2 of the big casters on it. Pick up one end and you can move it wherever you want. But you really don't have to do that. It also comes with locking casters, so you can lock it right in place and it won't move at all. It's got some other cool features I want to move you in and show you. Okay, so to raise it up and down like I mentioned, it's just a matter of loosening these and taking this nut off, and then there's a series of holes on each leg. Real easy to do. Here's the lock on the casters. You simply push this down, wham bam, it ain't gonna move. And when you want to unlock it, you simply step on this silver spot and it pops back up. Super easy. Up here we've got outlets where we can plug in right at our workbench. We've got 2 USB plug-ins and we've got a power switch. It also comes with a nice long cord, which right now I have run across the bottom of the table over to that side because that's where my outlet's going to be. It has this nice thick tabletop on it, and I cannot believe how hard it is. It's not particle board by any means. And look, it even looks nice, right? Beautiful, beautiful. So down on this end, it's got a place where you can put tool hangers and hang your tools. I think that's a pretty cool feature too, and they go all the way across. Check it out, Vevor, tough tools, half price. That's what we like. So pretty cool, right? So I'm really happy with this. Like I said, it wasn't too hard to put together. It took me maybe 25 minutes, and it's very, very solid. So if you're interested in this workbench, I'll leave a link down to Amazon where I purchased it, and you can follow it right over there and get one for yourself. I think you're gonna be really happy, folks. I really do.